and gentlemen, I'm driving the RC car. Yeah.
Your boyfriend's RC car.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so today is a vlog once again, and we just got home from school. We got some
And this burger smells like
babe.
Seriously,
we
smell
got
like poop.
stuff from smells like butt.
Oh man.
We got some stuff from Burger King, and so that's what we're eating.
Shit.
And then we're gonna go get our pictures taken. So we're looking forward to that. And I just thought, that's my...
They're dirty.
Oh my god, he just wiped his hands on my white shorts. What a butthole. Anyways, so yeah, we thought we'd just bring you
They
on.
gave me an onion butthole.
What the heck? Can you fries?
Yeah.
We thought we'd bring you on the way on our journey to taking pictures. So yeah, we'll vlog shortly.
I'm gonna get this camera. Soon to be mine when I get the money.
Roll my windows down and cruise down a back road, blowing stop signs through the middle every little farm town. With you in this brand new Chevy with a lift kit, would look a hell of a lot better with you up in it. So baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm driving the RC car. Yeah.
Your boyfriend's RC car.
Yeah. It's gonna be great. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Okay, this is go, turn, got it. Ready?
Let's go. Where are you going? Hey, you made it back onto the track. Go. Whoa, babe.
It's okay, I'll recover.
Big whoop-de-doo's going. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Whoa. Oh, babe. I went for the big jump.
Whoa.
Oh, babe.
Dang it, I know.
You don't have to worry about this part.
Whoa.
The wheel just grab onto the concrete.
No, I'm not worried at all. Oh, I didn't even press that.
Oh my gosh. You're so cute.
I'll fix it. Watch this one. This one's gonna be a good one. Okay. You watch it?
Oh. Oh my lord. Oh.
Oh, dang it, I'm going the wrong way!
Yeah, this is my backyard RC car track.
Tell it, babe. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more. Whoa. I'm waiting for that to happen.
Oh yeah! Whoa!
Wow! That was a good one! Just wants to show you what's going on.
You drive that thing so sad.
Ah! Okay, I'm done! Let's see what the pro can do. So now it's his turn. He's gonna show us. Woo! Turn it over. Go. Alright. Making it look easy. Unlike me. It's okay, babe. I hit that corner too. Holy poop. Give you a little hug.
Wow.
Am I good?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So he didn't like my hairstyle, so he went and washed his hair. Isn't that mean? It looked so good. Did you like it?
It was alright.
So he didn't like my hairstyle apparently, but I thought it was super cute because it was parted and everything, looking so fine. But anyways, yeah, that's it for a little vlog. If we do something exciting, then I'll vlog it. But yeah, deuces.